everyone, my name is Saad. I am a cuber. I've been cubing for 1 year. My fastest solver has been 7 seconds with a very lucky scramble. Here are the puzzles I'm able to solve. Pyramids, 4x4, 5x5, 2x2, 3x3. I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I used an advanced method. I'm going to show you the beginner's method. It's a method that requires 8 steps. The daisy, cross, first layer, second layer, yellow cross, corner orientation, yellow face, and solving the cube. Now I'm going to scramble the cube and show you slowly. This is an overview, so I won't show you how to actually solve it. Here the cube is scrambled. Now I'm going to show you the first step, the daisy. The yellow center, you'll give all the white edges around. If you don't already know, a center is a piece with only one color, an edge is a piece with 2 colors, corner has 3 colors. Next step, you're going to solve the white cross with this. You're going to move all the edge pieces to the bottom, aligning with their own colors, like this. Then, the next step is to solve all the corners with their respective colors. Usually people will solve it like this. Solve the white, but not all of them are in their respective spots. So you have to do all of them in their respective spots, then they count as solved, like this. This is the first layer. Most people think that you have to solve the cube face by face, then face, and continue. But most advanced solvers nowadays only solve it layer by layer. Next step, you're going to solve the second layer by inserting the right edges into the red spots. It'll look like this. 2 layers completed. Next step, you're going to solve the yellow cross. It has 3 cases, and for each case you have to do an algorithm. It solves the yellow cross. Next step is corner orientation. You see how many corners are in their place, and then according to that you do an algorithm. And in the end, you'll have all the corners in their right place. Green, yellow, and red in their spot, like all of them. Next, you're going to solve the yellow. You're going to just flip the cube and do some algorithm to get all of them solved. Like this. Next step is to solve the cube. There are 3 cases. Actually only 2, and on all of them you have to do the same algorithm to get them solved. Last part, I'll just finish this and the cube will be solved. I have now scrambled the cube. I am going to solve it and beat my record of 7 seconds or get a sub 10. Seconds and 10. Now, for your information, this video was only an overview. In the next 2 videos, we'll give you information on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. And please share, like, and comment.